Hi friends, this is Carmen. Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, welcome. We are going out and about today in a little field trip edition. We're actually going to be going to Ikea. I'm meeting my daughter Kristen there and take a look around, maybe have some lunch. But I want to see if they have their plant stock is it starting to be restocked. So we'll take a look at that, and then I'm on the lookout also for a certain plant stand that's like a 3-tier one. I think you probably know which one I'm talking about, but you'll know it when I see it. So let's get to it and see what Ikea has. Look at this wallpaper. Isn't that gorgeous? I can't put wallpaper in my apartment, but this, I love this setup right here. Now here are the cabinets that have been, or at least some of them that have been so popular within the plant community to use them as greenhouses. I really love this. It looks so 1940s and 50s. Fabricor, $169. These are nice. $179. Here's the Millsboro. $179. In gray. In white. It is really nice, and you know you have the shelf on top to put more plants, so for $179 that's really good. So here's a wardrobe tent for $12.99. Look, it zips all up, has a frame inside, but I bet you this would also hold humidity. I mean, the texture of it is like a shower curtain. So I'm sure this would hold humidity. This is a really inexpensive option for a little greenhouse, grow tent, and very inexpensive. Here they have these glass cloches, $12.99, $8.99. These would be perfect to put little begonias in. And they have this style, $7.99. I've tried looking for these in thrift stores and stuff, but it's hard to find them. But they're readily available here. Look at this shelf here, $29.99. And that's cute too. $89.99. Probably hang it on the wall too. I don't know. I was looking at this one up here. I have a corner.
Oh, the 3-tier one?
Yeah, I have a corner that I need a stand at. These you probably have to get in the warehouse area.
Probably.
Yeah, I really like that. Oh, they have some plants right here. Succulents, $3.99. Looks like some Theas. No, it's a
candle.
It's a candle. It smells like coffee.
Yeah.
Some baskets. And the baskets, $5.99. It's like aloes. And they have some cacti here. Oman cactus. That's a nice aloe there. I don't know if it would have the name. Just succulent. These are nice aloes. Little cactus.
That looks like it's fake.
I'm sure it's a slow grower. Oh, these are good size here. These are $9.99. I really like these. These are nice. $3.99. That's a good deal. With a saucer, that's a real good deal. And they have some 4-inch foliage dracaenas. Some peperomias. Some more dracaenas. Lots of dracaenas. Marginata. Oh, they have some Sansevieria here. Fernwood. These are cute. They're $9.99. Well, these are adorable. These are $4.99. They're in a nursery pot with a little, looks like you can take the bottom off.
Yeah, 'cause it's another pot
Little
inside.
aloes, Gasteria, little warty. These are nice. For $4.99 you get a good little succulent. This looks like it's a moisture meter. Water pitchers. Oh. Hanging basket. That's cute. These are $7.99. I like that macrame there. It's $14.99. That's nice. I have these. These are a little bit fancier. These are $5.99.
This isn't even trying anymore. It's not even trying.
These are $3.99. These are nice. If you're looking, I know this is popular, the white minimalist look. And some more succulents. They have 3 in a pot here, and these are $12.99. They look okay. Oh, there's 3 aloes and 3 haworthias. That's pretty. That's a pretty good deal. 3 in a pot. Some more Sansevierias. Here they have really nice jades. They're $7.99. These are nice. I should put my glasses on. And Phalaenopsis are $14.99. Oh, Lucky Bamboo in a test tube. It is a Dracaena too. I like this curled one. It's nice. I don't know where originally these were. And some pothos. Pothos are $7.99 in the 6-inch. They look healthy. Lots of cuttings in there. Nice color. We have Lucca. Some more pothos. Really nice peace lilies here. And those are $12.99. So not a whole lot of plants yet. This jade, this crystal is different. These look like the ogre ears. These are $7.99. And a little bit larger of the terracotta. Those are $4.99, which is still a fabulous deal with a saucer. More pots. Looks like they range $7.99. This has a plastic liner inside. Makes it easy to get rid of the water. These gray ones that look like cement, which they are, I think. $5.99. Very industrial look. Some more baskets with liners. $19.99. Some ponytail palms. $14.99. I just found out that those 3-tier shelves, corner shelves, are out of stock. They don't know when they'll be coming in, but the very nice man did tell me that they get their live plant shipments in on Thursday, put them out on Friday. So that's good to know. Look at these bowls. These are $39. And it's plastic. It looks like cement, but it's plastic. And some more baskets, $24.99. It does have a liner inside. These two. These are really nice. That's nice. So Ikea's getting there. Okay, so as you can see, they didn't have a whole lot as far as plants go, and even their baskets and such weren't really well stocked. But I did get that insider information from the nice gentleman that worked there, as far as they get their plant shipments, their live plant shipments on Thursday, so best time to go is maybe Friday afternoon, because they put them out Friday morning. And I'm hoping, as you know, the month goes on, we're just at the beginning of January, that it'll be getting better as far as stock goes, and more diversity of the plants that they have there. But Kristen did buy me this little stool. Get the glare out of there. This little stool here, I'm going to put together, and because the one that I wanted, the 3-tier one to put in a corner here, is out of stock. The gentleman did not know when they were going to bring it back in stock, and they didn't sell the floor models. Trust me, I tried. But so I'm gonna have to wait on that one. But she was kind enough to get me this one, because tomorrow is my birthday, so I'm gonna be turning 56, and she was kind enough to get me this. I honestly didn't look at the price, but I think it was probably around $7 or $8. But I needed one like this, so I'll put it together and show it to you how it looks. But thank you so much for coming along with us. If you enjoyed this video, if you enjoyed this little field trip edition with us, please do give it a thumbs up. That helps me out so much. And if you haven't already, please do subscribe to my channel. Hit that red button down there and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my videos. Thanks so much for coming along with us today, friends. Have a blessed day. I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye now.